Want my value to be questioned in the company. I'm not a nepo baby. I'm willing to start from the bottom. Just like Kuya Vincent.
Huwag niyong gawin pulutan lagi, ate ko. Baba na nga tingin sa yung mga tao dahil escort ka. Tapos ngayon kabit ka pa. May trabaho na ako. Makakatulong na ako dito sa bahay.
I find her cute.
Ma'am, for paying customers lang po yung CR namin.
Miss, can I have the key to the CR? My girlfriend bad news.
Doing the album, mahirap, pero ma-fulfilling after. Parang it's something na, yun. Akala ko 6 p.m. pa yung media con, ano.
Pinapastretch ako.
So, nakakagaan ng loob para magawa nyo yung lahat ng requirements sa isang eksena na hindi nyo pinipilit ang isa't isa. So, thank you for that also at the same time.
No, it's just really inspiring how hearing you talk about your co-actors and fangirl. Anyway, next question. It's a social media question to Mr. Romnick Sarmenta. Ang haligi ng ABS-CBN. Sir, ang tanong niyo po ay, you've already been a part of many successful projects. How is The Alibi different, and what made you say yes to this project?
Wala nga ako kanina. Hindi, joke. I always choose to work with people that I have worked with before, mixed with people I have not worked with before. Kasi syempre, di ba, lalo na pagka television series, you work long hours. You work for so long. And if you're not going to enjoy the work, if you're not going to be working with like-minded people, it's difficult. So when you get the chance to meet new people at work and then still at the same time work with the people you've worked with before that you really enjoyed, bonus saying that I've been around other projects that are so successful. It's also because of the people I work with. Diba? So, Dreamscape is there. I mean, the directors I have worked with before. Si Direk Onat kasama ko sa High Street. Si Direk Jojo, I've worked with her before also. Kim Pao, I've worked with them before. This is my second time working with them. And when I heard that it's them, sabi ko, tara, game. Diba? And then the others, ganun din. So, it's a given. If you're working with the right people, you're working with people you can talk to, be comfortable with, and create with, sobrang dali ng trabaho, kahit mahirap siya. Yun.
Thank you, sir. Okay, ngayon naman po, pumunta naman po tayo to a question from Hannah Mallorca from Inquirer, para naman kay Kim and Pao. I'll ask maybe Kim first. Make that Pao, sorry. The Alibi is your most daring project so far. While it's clear na comfortable kayo sa isa't isa, meron pa ba kayong mga ilangan moments while filming? And can you share any unforgettable behind-the-scenes moment for Pao?
Oh, the question is for me?
Yes.
Yes, maraming ilangan moments because syempre when you enter a set as a professional actor and you have scenes na medyo delicate, syempre lagi mong iniisip rin yung co-actor mo or co-actress, kung komportable ba sila, not just for Kim but also the others, with Sophia as well. Minsan like yung napanood nyo kanina, yung sumasayaw si Stella, nakita nyo sa trailer, parang naiilang ka rin at natatakot ka para sa eksena mo at para sa sarili mo. And kung hindi naman, kung medyo intense like yung mga scenes namin ni Sophia, natatakot ka rin kung nasasaktan mo ba sila dahil yun yung instruction ng director at yun yung nakasulat sa script. Syempre, yun lagi yung kinakatakot ko at dun lagi ako naiilang kung along the way dito sa proseso at sa pag-arte ko, kung na-alienate ko ba or nasasaktan ko or maybe nararamdaman ba ng ka-eksena ko na nababastos ko sila in some way. So as much as possible, I try my best to talk to them first a bit or show them what I'm gonna do. Pero ayun, yun lagi yung kinakatakot ko. Doon ako naiilang palagi. And I'm sure pag naiilang ako, naiilang rin yung ka-eksena ko. So, ayun.
Thank you, Pao, for being candid about your experiences so far. Kim, baka anything to add?
Wala naman siguro hindi may ilang pag mga ganun. Parang kasi sinungalingan, anong alibi mo? Sabi mong hindi. Pero opo, nailang pa rin. Kahit na kami ni Pao pang-4 na project namin. Pero iba-iba kasi yung ginagawa namin. So, iba-ibang intensity. So, parang nakakahiya. Mukha lang kaming dalawa sa screen, pero napakadami po talaga namin. Parang ganito. So, parang ganun. Siyempre, nakakailang, nakahiya. Pero, since, professional ang bawat isa sa amin. So, ganun. Di ba, no?
Follow-up question, Kim, from Hannah. Oh, no. Okay, so ito naman, no, another question for Kim. Grabe ang transition mo from your first role to The Alibi. Can we expect you to take more varying characters from you in the future?
Grabe. Mahalin niyo muna si Stella bago tayo tumalon sa iba. Please love #Stella. Nagpakaawa. Pero, iba-iba naman, dito naman sa mundo ng showbiz, ang daming characters na pwede mong i-play. It's up to you na lang kung paano mo siya gagampanan at depende na rin sa pagkakasulat at pagkakagawa.
Thank you, Kim. Aya?
Yan naman from Nika Sabio from Push ABS-CBN. To Ms. Jaja Padilla, the question is, how do you feel returning, doing a TV project? How do you prepare and adjust for your role? Again, the question was from Nika Sabio of Push ABS-CBN.
Hi, Nika. Thank you for your wonderful question. Kano ba ako katagal na wala? Hindi ko na matandaan. Love Thy Woman ba? Ay, hindi. Meron din. Meron din akong ginawa. Oo. Nakaka-excite kasi pag sinabi pa lang sa'yo yung cast. Kay Kim pang third ko na to na so talagang very comfortable na ako. Kay Pao first time. But working with actors that I get to be with, not only, kasi nag-aasap din kami, so ibang field. Tapos biglang ito artista ka, may mga characters kayo na nakaka-challenge talaga. And nasasaya na
Very much, Ms. Shasha. To you, Sam Milby, how is it like taking up this kind of role in The Alibi?
Very different para sa akin. This is the first time I'm doing a role na within the first week, wala na ako. But yun nga, pag-uusapan yung character ko until the end, and there's ang daming flashbacks, and ang daming revelations. It was such an interesting role to do. The backstory na malalaman nyo later on sa kwento, yung relationship with yung mga ibang cast members, the characters, ang daming revelations. So it's a great character, but it was really exciting.
Well, thank you for that question. More than anything, I just want to say that I'm truly honored to be part of such a beautiful cast. And more than anything, every cast member was so good at slipping into their role na parang bilang artista or actor sa set, hindi mo na kailangan pumasok sa character kasi makikita mo silang lahat. Nagiging totoo na yung set eh. My cast members and my 2 directors, I really, really enjoyed this role.
Start off first with Angelina. Ito pong question is from Jeff Oligar TV. Hello. Considering that this is your acting or teleserye debut, how are you excited to work with some, actually, of course, one of the best, some of the best in this industry, and to be part of this big project?
Honestly, this project has been such a fulfilling experience. I'm very grateful to have worked with Kim Pao, especially that Ate Kim already worked with my mom before. And when they worked with that project, they worked together in that project, she wouldn't stop talking about Ate Kim. She loved Ate Kim! And I was like, oh, the moment I worked with her, I now get it. It's a very full circle moment because she's so easy to work with. Napakagaan po yung aura ng set at ng cast. Everyone's very patient, and every single day I learn something new So sobrang grateful din ako sa Dreamscape, sa Prime bosses, ABS-CBN bosses for this opportunity and for the trust. I feel like almost every cast here, my family has worked with. So this project has been like a very full circle moment for me, especially with Robbie, my scene partner, because my dad has worked with his mom in plenty of movies and they were tandems also. So, yeah.
Thank you, Angelina. Robbie?
Same question.
Yes.
Well, yun nga, you mentioned that this is our teleserye debut. And a fun fact for everyone actually, the first scene I ever took with Kuya Pao was the first scene I took as an actor in my life. Yeah, so sobra talaga akong kinabahan. I mean, as you guys can imagine, right? I was in front of Kuya Pao and in my head I'm like, oh my goodness, it's Paolo Avellino in front of me with all the lights and the camera, and I was so nervous, but at the same time, as a fresh actor, I feel so incredibly blessed because during the lock-in cycles, we got to establish certain dynamics, relationships with each cast member. I felt so privileged na halimbawa magkakaroon kami ng medyo mahabang kwento session with Sir John. Tapos, before I know it, I'm being given such, valuable wisdom, such Easter eggs of information and knowledge about acting that I'll surely carry on for the rest of my life. So thank you for that. And of course, with Angelina, it was a very intimidating experience, but dahil magkasama kami ni Angelina, even from workshops, lagi po kaming magkasama sa mga eksena, having a buddy there, someone beside me, is really helpful and made me much more comfortable. So, yeah.
Thank
Can I
you,
just
Angelina
say-
and Robbie.
Ang tanong ay, may times ba na nag-alibay ka na kay Paolo? Sorry.
I think babalik tayo kay Davao Digital Creations. Anong tanong niya? Mas
Sorry.
maganda ata doon.
Tagabasa lang talaga ako. So, ang kanyang tanong ay, may times ba raw na
Pumiling.
nag-alibay ka raw na kay Paolo dahil sa isang situation? Same question with Paolo. Nag-alibay ka na ba kay Kim? Tapos all caps, please share the situation? Question mark. Double question mark. So again, may times ba na nag-alibay ka na kay Paolo dahil sa isang situation? Same question with Paolo, nag-alibay ka na ba kay Kim? All caps, please share the situation. Double question mark. From Alan Sancon. Hindi po sa akin. Salamat.
Alibay? Actually, mababaw lang naman ang mga namin ni Pao. Kasi, mahilig kasi ako sa chichirya. Tapos, yung mga damit ko kasi dito, midrib, kita-chan. Tapos, minsan, binibreakfast ko yung chichirya. Babaw, no? Pero, siya kasi, sabi niya, laki ng chan mo. Kakachichirya mo yan eh. So, minsan, parang nagka-crave ako ng chichirya. So, nag-alibay ako. Sabi ko, hindi ako kumain. Hindi ako chichirya. Pero may nakatabi dun sa gilid. Ano to? Ha? Huli? Ganon lang. Ganon lang kasimple. As in, hindi yan sa akin. Hindi Pero sa akin talaga. Kasi merong mga crumbs sa kuko ko eh. Ganon lang.
Tsaka pag late ka, ang dami mong alibay.
Tsaka Boy! Pag-usapan natin.
Sa akin naman, ako, wala eh. Ako wala akong inaalibay kay Kim kasi puro katotohanan lang naman sinasabi ko.
Wala! Thank you po! Please watch November 7.
Whether it's in a good way or kamalian ko, di ba? Parang sasabihin ko naman kung mali ako.
Salamat.
Maraming salamat. Kim Pao, isang hiyawan naman para sa Kim Pao. Diba? Ngayon na lang natin sila nakita ng ganito. At syempre, yung iba rin natin kasama sa cast.
I can't thank everyone enough. Project after project, from Linlang to Sek Kim to What's Wrong with to ano yung pelikula? My Love Will Make You Disappear. At ito, I can't thank everyone for your support, to everyone supporting us, not just here in the Philippines, globally, and also to our friends from the press. At maraming salamat. Walang humpay po yung tulong na ginagawa nyo. At kung di ho dahil sa inyo, hindi ho kami patuloy nabibigyan ng proyekto at bibigyan ng mga karakter at storya na maikukwento namin sa inyo. So maraming salamat po.
Yes, sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, maraming salamat po sa inyo. I hope we can spread the word kung ano po ang laman ng The Alibi. At ayan nga po, mag-download na ng Prime Video app dahil doon lamang po ito mapapanood. Simula na po yun this November 7, 2 episodes every Friday po yan. So thank you so much sa lahat ng mga supporters namin na nanonood ngayon online. Sa lahat ng mga nandito, thank you very much for all your effort, for all the love, for all the support. Nababasa po namin lahat yun, kaya maraming salamat. And sa mga bagong mga manonood and bagong susuporta sa amin ni Pao, panoorin niyo po itong The Alibi. It's not just me and Paolo. Ito pong lahat yun. Parang nagsama-sama po ang iba't ibang klaseng talento para magkaroon po ng masterpiece na The Alibi from Dreamscape Entertainment. Thank you so much, everyone. We're very grateful and happy and excited na mapanood ninyo.
Maraming salamat, of course, Kim and Pao. And of course, thank you din po sa